Welcome. In front of me I have REALME C21, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass on your display in this smartphone. So at the first you have to prepare a good source of light. As you can see in my case, I can spot a very mess that I have on the screen. So here we got the fingerprints, some pieces of the dust and other mess. So it's very important because we have to make this display to very good condition. So right now we have to open the box with our tempered glass, and inside you can find for sure the tempered glass and also two wipes. There we got the wet and the dry, and also will be really good if you use additional wipe or like paper towel or something like that. I will use this one. So let's start, and at the first we have to open the wet one. Okay, as you can see in my case, it's not wet, it's totally dry. In this case, you have to grab something like the window cleaner or something like that with alcohol, and you can just make something like that. Just apply this cleaner on your wipe, and right now it's wet, and we can easily remove mess from our display. As you can see right now, it looks much better. Also, we have to use the dry one. So let's open it. Okay, and right now we can use this towel. Okay, right now we can take a look on the display. And as you can see right now, we got no fingerprints or any other mess, but we got here some pieces of the dust. So let's use this one, this dry one, and just remove it like that by swiping. And right now our display looks really cool, so we can simply move for our tempered glass. There it is. And we have to remove this sticker, so make it just like that. As you can see in my case, it works really good, but sometimes this sticker doesn't follow with this foil. So what you have to do in this case, you have to put your fingernail underneath this one, and you can remove it manually just like that. So be sure that your display is without dust or mess like that, because if you put tempered glass on pieces of the dust, you will get the air bubbles. So we don't want to get it for sure. And let's put the upper section of the tempered glass. Keep holding the bottom part, and let's try to put it in the good position. Okay, I think that right now it's correctly, so we can put it just like that, and as you can see, it goes almost automatically. You don't even have to press, and there it is. In some cases, if you put your tempered glass in bad position, you can raise this glass by inserting your fingernail under glass, just like that. So take a look. Remember to do it slowly and don't break your glass. So if you put it incorrectly, like in my case, you can just leave it a little bit and put it next time, another time. And right now it's much better, so you can swipe with your finger just like that, and it will go faster. If you got something like that, the air bubble, you can remove it by simply using wipe or fingernail, you have to decide. And then just use this wipe another time. And right now it's applied, so you can use your smartphone, and as you can see there, we got no any problem with the touch interaction, so you don't have to be afraid of that. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.